हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब? वेलकम टू जेड एकेडमी। एज प्रॉमिस टू यू ऑल, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ line by line explanation of chapters from NCERT 6 to 10 so that you all can prepare for various competitive exams and also academic. So let's start with geography. First chapter, India size and location. So we are going to start with India. India size and location. Geography. So, India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. We all know that India is one of the oldest civilization. The first civilization, that is Indus Valley civilization or Harappa, was located in India, Indian subcontinent actually. Okay, it has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 years. So India has developed a lot in all the fields. Multifaceted means multidimensional achievement in socio and economic. Okay, that it has progressed in all the fields. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. As we know that India has always been very important for the development of world history. India as being a colonial country and also individually. So now we are going to start with the location of India. So India is a vast country. India is a very large country, as we know. It is the seventh largest country of the world, and also important fact that it is the most populated country of the world. It has become. So India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. Yes, northern hemisphere. Means your as I think you all know, and I'm going to explain you that if you see that this is world, this is our earth, and this is 0 degree, equator, equator. So India lies fully in northern hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere, and this is hemisphere. So India lies fully in the northern hemisphere, and or that also in northeast. India is in northeastern hemisphere. See, this is 0 degree prime meridian. Okay, 0 degree longitude, which is called prime meridian. Okay, so this India's location is here. India is located somewhere here. Okay, here. Okay, now the main land extends between latitude 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. Okay, Means north means what? Here. Like we can draw a latitudes here. This latitude, okay, is 8 degree 4 minutes north, and this is not exact, but this is for your understanding, okay. And this is latitudes 37 degree 6 minutes north, okay. This is called minute, this sign. So India lies here between these two latitude and longitude, between 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. And now about longitudes, okay. Now see, and longitudinal, longitude 68 degree 7 minutes north and 97 degree 25 minutes east, okay. Both are east. This point should be noted, okay. Okay. It is 68 degree actually. 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minute east. It is also east, means fully in eastern hemisphere, northeastern hemisphere, okay. And this is somewhere India is located, okay. The map will not fit here, but I think that I am able to give you a good understanding of India's location, okay. Understood? So this will actually touch here and this will touch here, okay. And yes, the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts. So Tropic of Cancer, this is also a very important latitude. So Tropic of Cancer passes through India, dividing it into two equal parts, almost two equal parts, and it is 23 degree 30 minutes north, okay. So this is also very important, okay. This is Tropic of Cancer, okay. Understood? To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Island, okay. To the southeast and southwest, see, southeast, southeast, your, as we know, this is north, this is south, this is India's west, and this is east. So to the southeast means they here will, what will lie? Bay of Bengal, okay. Here what will lie? Bay of Bengal. And what will lie here? Lakshadweep Island, okay. Bay of Bengal is situated in, sorry, Andaman and Nicobar Island is situated in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands is situated in Arabian Sea, okay. And here is Indian Ocean, okay. So Arabian Sea respectively. You all have understood it line by line, okay. There is a task given for you all, that find out the extent of these groups of island from your atlas, okay. And yes, I am going to teach you in a English Hindi approach so that you all can understand properly. तो आई थिंक आप लोगों ने अच्छे से समझा कि इंडिया का पोजीशन क्या है, लोकेशन क्या है fully in northern and eastern hemisphere. Okay, in the southeast में which island is situated? Andaman and Nicobar Island. किस वाटर बॉडी में मिलता है? बे ऑफ बंगाल. एंड लक्षद्वीप इज इन अरेबियन सी. ओके, ओके. एंड टू द साउथ ऑफ इंडिया, इंडियन ओशन. ओके, and Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country, India. Why? Because India is very significantly important through centuries. Okay, now we are going to move to India's size. Okay, so India's size. The land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. What is the area of India? The land mass. Okay, that means full land. पूरे land का एरिया कितना है? 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay, so we are I'm going to rub this. I'm going to erase this. This was in world, and I will also give you a closer look of India by making only India map of India. Okay, तो इंडिया का साइज ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, नाउ लेट्स ड्रॉ इंडिया. Okay, a little bigger. Okay, so this is India. Okay, see, this was our latitudes. ये दोनों longitude है. Okay, I hope you all remember the longitudinal extension, and this is the latitudinal extension. यहाँ से. Okay, okay. So this is latitudes, two latitudes. Okay, so once again, 37 degrees 6 minutes north, and longitude, okay, latitudes 8 degrees. So this is 8 degree longitude. Latitude 8 degree 4 minutes north. Okay, this latitude. Horizontal lines are called latitude. Horizontal imaginary lines. Okay, and this is 37 degree 6 minutes north. Okay, and this is latitude कितना है? See, this I am writing here. Okay, this is 68 degree 7 minutes east to कहाँ तक है इंडिया का एक्सटेंशन? फ्रॉम वेस्ट, मतलब दिस इज वेस्ट इंडिया, दिस इज वेस्ट साइड ऑफ इंडिया, एंड दिस इज ईस्ट साइड ऑफ इंडिया. but this is fully in eastern hemisphere, so we give here east. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, east. Okay, 97 degree 25 minutes east. Okay, understood? So now we are going to move to the size of India. The whole land mass is area. What is the area of India? Full area. Okay, so area 3.28, okay, million square kilometer. Okay, understood? Now see, India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical एरिया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अगर वर्ल्ड को एक फुल इसमें रखे लाइक 100%, तो व्हाट इज द परसेंट ऑफ इंडिया? ओके, इंडियन लैंड मास एरिया, एरिया का लैंड कितना है? तो 2.4%, ओके, ऑफ द टोटल लैंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. नाउ सी फ्रॉम फिगर 1.2, in the book also this figure is given. Okay, so in the figure 1.2 it is clear that India is the 7th largest country. Yes, what is the size of India? 7th largest country, okay, of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers and total length of the coastline of the mainland. Okay, land boundary means this land boundary, जिस तरफ land surrounded है. You all know that here is Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan, slight bit of Afghanistan is also there. Okay, India shares border a very little with Afghanistan also. Then Pakistan, then we have China here. Okay, full Pakistan. Then we have China here. Then Nepal, Bhutan. Okay, here is Bangladesh and here is Myanmar. Okay. So the land boundary. What is the length of land boundary? Okay. So India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers. Okay, land boundary. What is the land boundary of India? (15,200 kilometers). Okay, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay, this was about the land boundary. Okay, which is not situated with the land, जो लैंड के तरफ है, और बाकी इंडिया इज हाफ, इंडिया इज विद किससे तरफ है? वाटर बॉडीज, एज टोल्ड अरेबियन सी हियर, इंडियन ओशन हियर, ocean, and here is Bay of Bengal. Okay, and here was Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and here was Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, so the total coastline. Okay, coastline means the area which is near the ocean, surrounded by the oceans from all the side, so including the mainland. Okay, and Andaman and Nicobar Island means these coastline is also counted here, included here. We have a coastline of, okay, coastline. This is total coastline is 7,516.6 kilometers. Okay, this is very important. Okay, for MCQs. Okay, Now, India is bounded by the Yangfold Mountains in the northwest. Okay, Yangfold Mountains in the northwest. Okay, northwest, north, and east. So, which Yangfold Mountain? Himalayas. Okay, so from here, northwest, north. Okay, this is here actually north and northeast. This is the location of Himalayas. Okay, so this is Himalayas. Himalayas. This is what referred in the book as Yangfold Mountains. Okay. Now, south of about 22° north. Yes, from 22° north latitude. Okay. Almost, I have told you that here almost is the Tropic of Cancer. Not here exactly. This diagram is little, yes, here. The Tropic of Cancer passes, which is 23°30' north. After this, actually from here only India starts to taper. Taper means it becomes thin. Okay, and protrudes मतलब बाहर निकलता है किस तरफ? इंडियन ओशन की तरफ. ओके, थिन हो जाता है मीन्स ये देखिए लैंड इधर ऊपर ब्रॉड है, इधर टेपर हो रहा है. ओके, so this is written in the book. Okay, south of about 22° north latitude it begins to taper and extends toward the Indian Ocean. Okay, it's extending towards the Indian Ocean. Okay, dividing it into two seas. Yes, and Indian Ocean is divided into two seas, the Indian Ocean. Okay, this is the ocean and it is divided into two seas, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Okay, these are part of Indian Ocean. Okay, understood? Okay, the Arabian Sea is in the west of India. Okay, and Bay of Bengal is in the east. Okay, this is southwest and this is southeast. Okay, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea is southwest. Okay, now see, look at figure 1.3 and note that the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30°. Yes, now it's given in this diagram, so I am going to show you this in here. Okay, this here. So, yeah, from here till here means the most western part of India to eastern part of India. The extent is about this latitude, longitudinal extent is about 30°. Okay, see. Okay, longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30°. See, 68°7' east and 97°25' east. The extent means the difference is about 30 minutes. Okay, 30° actually. The difference is about 30°. Okay. Despite this fact, the east-west extension appears to be smaller than the northwest extension. Okay, लेकिन इससे क्या होता है, तब भी ये भी 30° है और ये this length इंडिया का length from 37°6' north to 8°4' north, ये भी 30 ऑलमोस्ट 30 है. लेकिन हम लोग को जब हम लोग ये मैप देखते हैं तो क्या लगता है that India is more in length, but it is not like not so. Okay, exactly. ठीक है, तो यही बताया गया है. Now from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time lag of 2 hours. Yes, so as told, longitudes decide the time. Longitudes decide time. So there is a difference of 30° longitude, but we follow only one time. It's one standard time in India. Okay, so this is told here. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is time lag of 2 hours. Time lag means time difference. Okay, hence time along the standard meridian of India. Okay, standard meridian of India. There is a standard meridian. Okay, passing through Mirzapur. This is located in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, this is here. Like see, somewhere here is the standard meridian. Okay, of India, and it passes through a place called Mirzapur. Okay, in UP. It's here. Okay, मिर्जापुर. ओके ओके, तो ये याद रखना है, it comes in exams. मिर्जापुर. ओके, Hence, time, yes, I have told this. Passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time for the whole country. So, time for the whole country is this, the time which is observed in Mirzapur. Okay. So, what is the Indian standard time? Okay. Degree, this you have to learn this. ये डिग्री कितना है? तो 82 डिग्री 30 minutes east. Okay. Understood? Okay. Okay, Indian Standard Time. This is Indian Standard Time. Means this longitude decides the Indian Standard Time. इस longitude से क्या होता है? जो मिर्जापुर से पास होता है उसे हम डिसाइड करते हैं पूरे इंडिया का टाइम, which is one. India follows a one time zone. Okay, one time zone. Many countries follow various time zones, like in Russia and Canada. Okay, but in India we follow only one time zone. Okay. So this is Indian Standard Time. Okay, understood? The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night. Yes, as I told you, the latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. Yes, longitude से क्या decide होता है? Time, और latitude से ये longitude, okay, which is vertical lines will decide time, and latitudes, okay, these latitudes 37 degrees 6 minutes north and 8 degree 4 minutes north will decide the duration of day and night. Duration of day and night means how long will be day and night. Okay, like we observe that in winter we have long nights and shorter days, and in summer we have long days and short nights. Okay, so this is because of the latitudes, and time depends on longitude. Okay, and see, like the difference from India, like top of India, like in Kashmir and Kanyakumari. In Kanyakumari we can't feel the duration of time. Okay, difference in Kanyakumari because it is situated near the equator. This is very important. This is 8 degree 4 minutes north. So it is situated somewhere here. Okay, this is equator. This broken line. Okay. So this is equator, that is 0 degree. Okay. And with equator we don't put any east or north or south because it is 0 degree. Okay. इसके ऊपर जितना होगा क्या होगा? इक्वेटर के ऊपर नॉर्थ. ओके, ये हम लोग इसलिए यहाँ पे नॉर्थ लिखते हैं. ओके, जितना नीचे होगा दैट इज साउथ. ओके, तो इंडिया लाइज होनली इन नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, इसलिए हम लोग नॉर्थ में ही लिख रहे हैं सब कुछ. मीन्स लैटिट्यूड्स को मार्क करते हैं लेंथ में. ओके, तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंस नहीं होगा. नीचे यहाँ पे हम लोग किसी भी सदर्न मतलब सिटी में जाएंगे या स्टेट में जाएंगे एज अ होल, तो हम लोग को टाइम डिफरेंस नहीं मिलेगा बिकॉज ऑफ द नियरनेस ऑफ द इक्वेटर. ओके, लेकिन जैसे जैसे दूर आएंगे तो क्या होता है? स्लैंटिंग सन होता है. सन डायरेक्टली, आपको पता है कि सन का रेज कहाँ जाता है? डायरेक्टली टू द इक्वेटर, और इधर स्लैंटिंग रेज होता है सन का. तो स्लैंटिंग रेज में क्या हो जाता है? रात में लेंथ ऑफ नाइट लंबा हो जाता है, पर यहाँ साउथ में नहीं होगा. ओके, यही बात यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था. ओके, आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर. ओके, so now we will move to another portion. Okay, so I'm going to explain this till here only for today. Okay, and I will continue with this chapter India and the world from this topic tomorrow. Okay, so thank you. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.